What is up, you guys? It's your boy Electroflame JD in the house, back again once again for a beautiful, wonderful, self-centered revenge. And today, people, we are here for map 11, part 3 on Doom 2 Sunder. This is a blind let's play with 100% kills, items, and secrets. I hope you guys enjoy, and my pain and suffering, and let's get on with the show. Hi there! How you guys all doing today? I am doing marvelous. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying your Thursday morning, afternoon, and evening as well. I'm enjoying myself with death. Now, technically I did redo this map on my own free time, and I checked the video and I dumb goofed a little bit. And yes, I was a bit greedy. No shit, I was very greedy. So technically, spooky, scary skeletons crowd you up, and we'll not deal with them now. Instead, I dealt with the Hack Knights, and I did leave a supercharge behind while I did regrind it up till here, and yeah, we shouldn't have any problems with armor and health and things like that anymore. As you see, I did grind a lot. I had to save as much as possible to get up here. So we can see if we can snipe spooky, scary skeletons after I have dealt with these guys. Ow. That was a bad idea. Yeah, it might do sound different. I do apologize in advance, but I am a god. I am a hand of God. I don't know about you, I think I was safer down the alley, right? Oh yeah, I was safer. And we'll have to find a way to get those guys over there. Those guys down there. I do not know how I'm gonna do it, but I might do it. So if I do something like this, it's fine, they can come here, I don't mind. There they go. So let me see. Start from the beginning. Yeah, let's do that. Let me do that. And then we take this. We'll not grab that just yet until it is been approved. Come on. Just yet. I was waiting for that. I'll try and snipe them there, make them as less as possible, and then get rid of you guys at the same time. I think the only way I could do that is to grab the invulnerability from there. do it. Is it there? Because I'm not scared of you. Me. Okay. You are tiny grasshopper. Okay. Let's be ballsy one more time, but a different way. Grab that. Grab right back. Trust me, just right back. And then let's see. Uh-huh. Tactical retreat just... We need more ammo. Looks like it's working. Looks like it is working. Okay, it didn't work according to plan, so I'm gonna have to go heal up shortly. I don't know, doing my grinding, did I leave any pockets at the bottom? I doubt it. Crossfire! How can I resist ya? There's you. Yoink. There's you. Yoink. Okay, so. It's out here. It's out here. And I know, because I said it the last time, I left a supercharge here. So let's grab that supercharge. All these imps that died. Oof. All the enemies have died. Okay, so let's take the same teleporter back. Because I know they're marching. We are marching to Pretoria. All of them piled down. Wait for Doom Guy to be slow. Okay, I think I got the rhythm again. Okay, that was my fault. My bad. That was really my fault. I'm sorry. Not really, but okay. So, who wants to be first? Hey! Too long. That will happen. You know, the keyword should, I should actually have gone and, you know, actually collected some extra health. I don't know. But what I'll do is later on, I'll just collect some extra rocks. Ah, there they go, piling up towards me. How nice. I still got never armor, so I'm still A-okay. I am, how we say in Susutu, I am sharp. So, technically, yeah, I'm still A-okay. Crossfire, how can I resist you? Yeah, yeah, I'm over here, I'm over here, and I'm going back, and I'm going back. No, ooh, ah. Actually, it's a good idea. It's a good day to die. It is a good day to die. So let's not make it a good day to die. 99 rockets, I'll take it. Supercharge. Gladly take it. That teleporter takes me straight back to them, but not with the invulnerability that I just use right now. Yes. Rude. I wonder, where's all my cells? Hello, missiles. Goodbye, missiles. I'm not going to battle you. I refuse to battle you. So we know the lava works. Do we have any more cells here? We have some shells. We have no cells. We have cells in there. Just out of curiosity. I want to check very quickly. Otherwise I'm wasting my damn time. Okay, yes, I just wasted my darn time because I didn't want to come here just yet. I wanted to kill the hackmans. Ha 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 ha. You cannot catch me. You cannot catch me. I'm coming. No. We see. Oh, the one place I haven't checked is in this room. Luckily, it's a safe haven. So, while I'm at it, coffee. I'm gonna keep this video roughly 45 minutes again because of load shedding. Ooh, looky fam. Only 100? Okay, I will take it. Another one? I will take it. I'll take it. Because you know why? I'm going back in there. Pushing those guys back with my special. That's okay, right? Look at all these bodies on top of each other. One body after another. What the hell? Where are the rest? Did I kill them? Oh yeah, sure, I did. I'm just waiting for them to pile up over here. That's interesting. Okay, but there were some of them that I did snipe through the window, so unfortunately. Stop ticking the people off, please. You are famous on dying. So, I didn't see any other rockets in here, did I? No, I didn't. Didn't see any rockets down here, did I? Not that I know of. Damn, I love wasting things. Ooh, 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 25 rockets? 25 rockets? Is that gonna be enough? In here? What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? My doom! My guy, please. Your missiles have no effect on me if I do this. Actually, they do. Sometimes. Okay. This is starting to get pretty interesting without any rockets. Ah, here we are. Thank you. 50 is more than enough. I'm just hoping you guys are not up there, otherwise I'm gonna have to go tackle you. Oh yes, you just came to me. Ow, ow. Wait, don't tell me there's no more left. There was plenty. Oh, here they are. In that case. So further Hi. Guess what? Now I've got the high ground and you got the low ground. So take this plus damage. Dang it. I lost my chance! No! How could you, soldier? It's a fine, okay? It's a fine! I got this. I got this. We haven't even left the first area and already my butt is being kicked the whole time. And sadly, there is no secrets to be found here. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put you. I should have this long time ago. Goodbye, my friend. Okay, so I know where cells. Let's try not to waste too much rockets. Okay. So I know where cells. Let's go get some more cells. Let's go get some more cells. 200, 200. Ooh la la. Okay. Let's do this! Yeah, I can hear you. From there, from there, from there, and everywhere. This is the part where we need rockets. Oh, you know how I did it? I know exactly how I did it. I know exactly how I did it. So I must come back this side. Actually, we blitz them first with a BFG. Jump back down. Lure them this side. Get the cells. Get the invulnerability and blitz them. Okay, so we're first going to take the teleporter. We're going to blitz them. We're going to make a tactical retreat. And keep it till there. That's it. Now I take the shotgun a bit. Okay, so we've got them over there. Excellent. So we fall down. Let's grab the BFG. Right. We're gonna make a hidey thing over here. Because the Hack Knights are over there. Correct me if I'm wrong. The Hack Knights are over that side. So they'll be coming towards us there. And I got this finished. How rude of me. So they'll be coming from there till here. Take the teleporter, grab the cells, grab the invulnerability, and just be happy. Ach no man. Sorry about that. Take the teleporter. No, not this one. If my analysis is correct, which it should be. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. There we go. Stretch. Once you make that stretch, exactly how you want it. Okay. Save some rockets. Wow. That was a 60 high roll. So there should be one more, because we ran past him just now. And you're guarding a supercharge over there. I don't appreciate that. so there's no more, so I'm gonna fall down to our doom quickly. Taking the long way because I need some medipacks. I know I skipped some over there as well. But I want this one. Sometimes I wonder if I should actually restart the level or not. But it's too much hassle. Really, truly is too much hassle. Now fancy that! I thought there would be one more somewhere. And then when you get the high advantage, you're going to take the high ground to actually, you know, snipe those revenants. Because believe me, they're the worst pains in the butts that you'll ever know. But sadly, you won't have enough rockets to deal with them, so therefore you're gonna have to go to the other room. To the other room for that. Right. Let's see if I can find Mr. Hacknight. Mr. Hacknight would be over that side. Wait. Hi. Bye. Okay. Now normally this would open, but we haven't completed all the arenas and stuff like that. So just checking my time. We've got plenty. Alright, so this is the way. So I can just back myself up. Yeah, that was a bit too much. There we go. Make them less. Make me happy. So I think we come back to this room later. I hope so. Because if I don't come back to this room later, it's like, oh well, I will have to make a plan. If I do run out of rockets, I'm gonna check the other room and see what it holds for us there. So far, good progress over here. Very good progress. If I'm fighting one cyber demon, sure, no problem. Super shotgun comes out. If I'm fighting multiple cyber demons, that's gonna be troublesome. That's gonna be big troublesome. Wow! Rocket to the face. Because I was stupid. You look like a stupid! Come on. Let me see. Yay! Oh my word! Looks like I can move around a bit more. Because from what I can see, they can't move around from anywhere. Okay, let's not waste too much rockets. Let's go check what is in that other room over there. Okay, so the door closes, that we know. This looks like death. This really looks like death. Okay. When I said this looks like death, I meant it. So what is going to happen here? Okay, we just killed 2 archers. What's gonna happen in there? Is there gonna be lots of hit scanners? I hope so. Okay, we need cells. Let me check where I can find cells. I think there's cells up there. I think what I'm gonna do next is this. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for cells, actually. That's bad. That's very bad. Cyber demons plus revenants. That ain't good. And I think you are very, very limited to that space over there. The thing is, I'm not afraid of your missiles. Word, is this the part where I really have to, really start from the beginning and see if I can consume some more ammunition? Does it open that door over there? Yeah, or no? Yes, it does. Then... you don't mind me running out and becoming a little bit more safer. I was actually very stupid to grab that invulnerability, because I could have actually used it for over here. And I can't grab it now because of the revenants. Let me just show them where I am, and... actually, let's not waste. There's only a few. I'm playing very risky now. Hello! How are you, Mr. Cyber? Ha! Sucker. You follow me here. Okay, one rule. Don't turn your back on the cyber demon. Never turn your back on the cyber demon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Time to freak out, please. Now what I am going to do right now is this. I'm going to go to practice. I'm going to save and practice for now. And we still have like 4 minutes left. 4 minutes for me to improvise. Oh, yeah, he's busy. That would be appreciated. Wow. Okay, luckily. No, not there. Luckily, I saved. So, inspiration actually worked. Okay, you. With a cluster like that, never stand still. I learned that the hard way. So, we're going to see what we can do. Wait, there should be more of you. Plus a side. Thing is, I am not scared of a cyber demon. I am scared of the cyber demon because I have no ammunition. Thing as making a tactical retreat, and there is such thing as avoiding those missiles over there. Okay. Okay, now he's in a narrow spot where I cannot actually should be another one. Another Revy. Where are you? Okay, that was my hard work. Down the drain. It should be fine. We'll be fine. I know we are fine. Son of a bitch, can you just die? Those revenants, they are so annoying. I think, I don't know, but I think. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And there's supposed to be a teleporter right here. I won't do. Here we go. Here's another thing. This cyber demon follows you. Let's annoy the cyber demon. There we go. Now let's make a tactical retreat. Let's save. Because only you can prevent lost save data. 21 minutes left. 4 more minutes left. And counting. Here's the other thing. I do not know how many Revenants are there. But I saw relatively a few of them. Are you serious? There's Oompa Loompas there? Wait. Okay, that is not gonna work, but why am I going back? I want that. I want some cells in there. That's why I made a tactical retreat. Good lord. Lord, I love the castle design though. Serious? Are you serious? Very serious? Oh, I think I know how that worked. Okay, I think I know. So that gave me a big of advantage than a disadvantage. Okay. No, it was a... Now I'm seriously in war with missiles. Anything for me. Oh, the Revies are that side now. So that's a once-off teleporter where they go through. Oh boy. Oh boy. But I do not know if I have dealt with the enemies over there. I'm actually too scared to go look. Okay. How many more Oompa Loompas are there? Well, we're basically halfway there. We're basically very halfway there. Okay, we're on 45-minute mark, so don't need to take that long. If I die, I die. If I don't die, that's fine. How many more of you? Can I snipe you from here? Okay, I can. Is there more of you? That was a little bit risky. Okay, let's do that. Check in movement. That's one thing I did not use with my Jenga bullets. Okay, that one dead. So I blitz that one. Okay. I die. Bye bye now. You know what? I will practice this one as well. And see how much cells I can leave over. And maybe I'm not going to even practice, but who cares? But it's Thursday. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying your Thursday morning, afternoon, and evening. And if you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up from over there. Show YouTube you loved it. If you didn't, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel for more support. Hit that notification bell for when more of these walkthroughs, blind let's plays, or whatever comes through. Without said and done, thank you once again for watching. Stay frosty, stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy, and remember one thing. There is a flame that burns inside of you. So, ignite it and flame on. Cheers guys. Adios, cheerios.